Hello all, I am Arsha Bhagat, a student of MES Garware College of Commerce, and I welcome all of you to this exciting interview organized by MES Garware College of Commerce. So for today's interview, I would like to introduce Devki Bhise ma'am. She is the head of Dramatics and Cultural Association. She holds the designation of assistant professor, and her qualifications are that she has done MBA and MCom. She is currently pursuing PhD, and she has 4+ years of teaching experience. Ma'am has innovative ideas and activities conducted in classroom which makes difficult subjects easier to understand. So we welcome you, ma'am.
Thank you so much, Asha.
Ma'am, can you please elaborate on Dramatics and Cultural Association?
Yes. So, the Dramatics and Cultural Association of MES Garware College of Commerce is known as Garware Kala Mandal. We do have 3 sub-teams under Kala Mandal. One is theatre team, another one is dance group, and the third one is music team.
Ma'am, as a college, in what all major activities and competitions do we participate?
So, we majorly participate in the state level competitions such as Firodia Karandak, Dachi Kaka Gadgir Karandak, Purushottam Karandak, Suman Karandak, then Mood Indigo. Then we also participate in different dance competitions, university level competitions such as Swara Ranga, zonal level, district level. So we promote our students to participate on different levels of the competitions wherein their art forms will be promoted.
Ma'am, how does the Dramatics and Cultural Association help students to build up their skills?
So basically, this particular association focuses on the personality development of the students. Every art form develops the personality of each and every artist. So basically, we try to promote our students to get rid of their stage fears. We help them in the leadership qualities, we help them in time management, we help them in financial management. So overall, this association helps the students to develop their personalities academically as well as non-academically.
Ma'am, how does this association help students to grow and develop?
Yes. So the association helps students to develop their personalities. The reason being that the students do all the activities on their own, such as writing the script, making the set, then selecting the costumes, designing the costumes. Then they have to go for time management because in every competition, every play has some specific time given. So they have to manage their entire drama in the stipulated time. Then they also learn financial management, the budgeting techniques. They also learn the leadership. They get rid of their stage anxiety. So basically, the association helps the students to grow drastically and develop their personalities.
Ma'am, does the participation in Dramatics and Cultural Association affect students' academic performance?
Good question, Asha. Honestly speaking, no, because we have a rule that if you want to participate and represent the college in any competition, you should not have any backlog. And that is why we promote the students to even focus on their academic performance, attend the lectures, and do well academically as well.
Ma'am, how can students enroll in Dramatic and Cultural Association? Is there any eligibility criteria?
Okay. So, eligibility criteria, as we just discussed, that you should not have any backlog. And another one is if you are a new student from 11th standard or from first year, you have to go for an auditions which we conduct at the start of every academic year. You have to showcase your talent there, and then our experts enroll you in the Cultural and Dramatics Association.
Ma'am, please tell us that in this academic year, how many awards did Garware College won?
So, in this academic year, we have grabbed many awards, around 25 plus. Naming a few from Firodia Karandak, we have got award for dance, classical, dance, freestyle, rhythm, mytho, charcoal painting, and costume designing.
Ma'am, please elaborate on the plans of Dramatic and Cultural Association for the next academic year.
Okay, so talking about the plans of academic year 2024-25, we have planned the dance workshop, theatre workshop, and music workshop in the start of the academic year itself. Apart from that, we are going to focus on participating in many competitions for the upcoming year at district level, at state level, and even at the university level. So this is the plan as of now.
On behalf of MES Garware College of Commerce, ma'am, I thank you. It indeed was a great pleasure to have you on board today. I'm sure that our viewers would get best guidance from your inputs.
Thank you so much, Asha. Thank you for having me.
So guys, how did you find today's session? I hope you love it. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel, and we'll be back with new videos. Thank you.